Welcome back to Car Flair. RAM has just unleashed a beast, the all-new 2025 RAM TRX, now packing an insane 1,500 horsepower. This truck takes extreme performance to a whole new level, redefining what a high-performance pickup can do. If you thought the last TRX was wild, get ready for something even more powerful, faster, and more aggressive. The 2025 TRX still carries its muscular, wide-body stance, but now it's even more aerodynamic. The massive hood scoop feeds air into the supercharged engine, and RAM has upgraded the front grille for better cooling. With flared fenders, off-road skid plates, and an aggressive LED light signature, this truck looks like it's ready to dominate any terrain. Under the hood, RAM has pushed the limits with a new twin-turbocharged 6.2-liter V8, delivering an earth-shattering 1,500 horsepower. This engine is paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and a reinforced 4x4 drivetrain, ensuring all that power is put to good use. The result, a 0 to 60 time of just 3 seconds, numbers that rival supercars. And with launch control, adaptive suspension, and massive off-road tires, it's built for both high-speed runs and extreme off-roading. Inside, RAM has combined luxury with performance. The cabin features premium leather and Alcantara, a massive 14-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5, and a digital gauge cluster with real-time performance data. The sports seats are designed to keep you planted, whether you're tearing up sand dunes or hitting the highway. There's also an exclusive TRX mode, fine-tuning the truck's suspension, throttle response, and exhaust sound for maximum performance. Speaking of sound, the exhaust note is nothing short of thunderous. RAM has engineered an active exhaust system that lets you unleash a deep, growling roar at the push of a button. Whether you're revving at a stoplight or flying down the trail, this truck makes its presence known. When it comes to off-road capability, the 2025 TRX doesn't just keep up, it dominates. It features an upgraded Bilstein Black Hawk suspension, allowing it to handle jumps, rocks, and extreme terrain with ease. With reinforced axles, an electronic locking differential, and 37-inch all-terrain tires, this truck is ready for anything. Safety and tech are also top tier. You get adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and even a heads-up display. Plus, with RAM's latest connectivity features, you can monitor performance, control drive modes, and even check fuel levels from your smartphone. The 2025 RAM TRX is the ultimate high-performance truck, combining mind-blowing horsepower, cutting-edge tech, and extreme off-road capability. It's expected to be one of the most powerful production trucks ever built. But the question is, would you drive a 1,500 horsepower TRX? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane vehicle reveals here on Car Flair.